You need to watch this if you're starting with just a little money but dream of wealth. Need to learn the secrets to growing your cash? Start early and stay consistent. Even small contributions can grow exponentially with compound interest. Think of dollar cost averaging, investing a fixed amount regularly to ride out market ups and downs. Then consider low-cost index funds or ETFs. They spread your money across many stocks, reducing risk while keeping fees low. For the brave, high-risk, high-reward options like cryptocurrency or options trading could skyrocket your returns. But caution is key. Dividend stocks provide a steady income stream, and reinvesting dividends can snowball your growth. Don't forget tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs or 401ks. They help your investments grow without the tax drag. Patience and reinvestment are your allies. And remember, sometimes the best investment is in yourself. Education or a side hustle can offer massive returns. Start small, stay smart, and let your money work for you. Happy investing!